Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. Before entering into the today topic, I am going to tell about my channel. Once you enter the Olympiad Math channel, Math Academy, so you can access the day-wise Olympiads level questions. This is not like SOF. SOS is the school level. This is completely National Board of Higher Mathematics and Physics Teacher Association conducting that. This is Olympiad is completely different from the, as you are thinking SOF, it's different. There are many stages there. I'm just training for IOQM, the first stage, integer type level of questions. So one more information, who are aspiring for 8th to 12th standard for Olympiads. Okay, you can access this video and I can able to give more shorts video also, and the topic wise, for example, combinatorics, algebra. So today I'm going to discuss algebra only, polynomial. So coming days, you can see the number theory and geometry ideas, everything will be uploaded in the channel. Okay, so let me begin with this first. Today is cubic polynomial related questions. So cubic polynomial is a f of x such that f of 1 is 1, f of 2 is 2, f of 3 is 3, f of 4 is 5. Find the value of f of x. I'll do the first question. You can take the second question as your homework. Let me begin with the first question. So what is that? You can see one observation, the question 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, right? So generally, if you expand it, f of x equal to x, we can write. Let me call this g of x equal to f of x minus x. They're taking value x equal to 1, 2, 3, right? Just you can put x equal to 1. What will happen? If you put 1 here, f of 1 minus 1, f of 1 is given to you 1, right? 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, g of 1, 0 means what is the meaning? X minus 1 is a factor of g of x. Same way, if you put 2, 3, x minus 2, x minus 3 is factor of g of x. Then how to write g of x? Some k times x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. That means these are the factor of g of x. That means if you product all these things, you will get g of x. Understood? Sir, why you are putting k here, sir? They didn't mention that leading coefficient is 1. That's why I put here is k. Right? K may be any non-zero number, right? Fine. So ultimately, you need to find out k, right? How to find out? Using this condition, right? Let me put x is equal to 4. What will get? G of 4 is equal to k into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3. So g of 4, how to calculate? You can see here. G of 4, right? You can calculate here g of 4. It is what? F of 4 minus 4. F of 4 already know that 5. 5 minus 4, it will be 1, right? Okay, fine. Let us find out the g of 4. Oh, g of 4, got it? No? So what is that? G of 4 will be 1. So k times 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 1 is equal to k times 6, therefore k is equal to 1 by 6. We got the constant, non-zero constant here, k we found. Then the original function g of x would be 1 by 6 times x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Clear? Now what we can do, we need to find f of x, f of 6, right? Let me take g of x. G of x equal to f of x minus x. We need f of x, right? G of x, you send minus x to the left side, plus x equal to f of x. Just substitute x is equal to 6. G of 6 plus 6 is equal to f of 6, right? What is g of 6? G of 6 you can find out here. G of 6, 1 by 6 into 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 3. So what will get 1 by 6 into 6 minus 1 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 3, right? So you can cancel 1 times 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So g of 6 will be 10. Got it? Just substitute here. 10 plus 6 is equal to f of 6. Therefore, f of 6 will be 16. Understood? So similarly, you can do this kind of questions. Second question, you can do it yourself. Okay. So if you like this channel, if you like this video, you can subscribe it, like it, and share to your friends. Thank you, everyone.